Let me tell you something. When time you start talk about the police has been treated like a soppy piece of cloth, make you not talk about how the citizens of Jamaica have been treated like a soppy piece of cloth. Make you don't talk about how the Jamaican dollar just has slide and go so like avalanche and nobody can catch it. Make you not talk about the amount of food that they're importing into the country, killing out our farmers' livelihood from a farming blood clot country, and make you not talk about the amount of diseases we are coming with the processed food them that's coming in, and how they're making those foods cheaper than the friggin' foods that are grown organically in the country, and how that's stifling the economy of the country. Make you not talk about the corrupted police officer them, which I am sure you know about. I know say we don't know that there are good ones there, but make you not talk about that. Make you not talk about the dirty, corrupted politician them will control the wharfs and control the waterways and control the airways and control how things are imported and exported in and out of the country. And the amount of guns that keep coming into the country, and Jamaica don't have no gun factories in it. And it's not only Ninja Man this is for everybody else that fails to see exactly what the problem is in Jamaica and continue to do the scapegoat bullshit. It's SouFLoTV, man. Welcome, and today we're going to talk about this. Nothing. Big up yourself, you know, because me did say you kill Sting, or not kill Sting, but you help kill Sting, because the time that you could have said to the people them that you were working with, which is Leng and the rest of them, yo boss, and I know say I true the artist them are talking, you know, and I need to forward a little bit more money over here, so you know, this a person, at least book two of them here, and I go all these, and make the young generation say, sure, I know that we want here, and cut left the thing, right? Alright, I have to big up Nuffy though, because Nuffy talk about politicians are the root of crime. Nuffy, big up yourself, because you had the quabos to say it. You had the fortitude to say it. Where it seems like the people that I call brave have suddenly gone silent. Big up to Blood and Skirt Bounty Killer also. Alright? Bounty said poor people governor and him no itch or switch from that. People, please understand that I am under the full belief that Ninja Man does not want to be where VYBZ Kartel is. As much as he talk about how him bad and he no care, nobody no want to go to prison at 50 years old. Okay? So, hopefully they'll pardon Ninja Man from his thing and dash out the case there and him walk free and everything. But we are hoping the same for VYBZ Kartel too. Ninja, don't make them keep on use you. Alright? And I know you are talking about, oh, if VYBZ Kartel did behave himself. Because you are the same one. And we have the video of it where you come on and say, Aleng them have a certain way how them do things, and then make sure so you go to jail or prison or something like that if you don't work them for them way with them why if you work. And at the same thing them do to VYBZ Kartel. You said that, Ninja Man. So nobody come with the side talk now, because some people draw you in a one corner and say, hey boy, behave yourself and represent this and talk this, and then you will be free. And you say, okay, fuck it, me I forgot to throw one person under the bus. Who is it going to be? The scapegoat. Who is going to be the martyr? They are martyring fucking VYBZ Kartel, and if they martyr him, you guys are going to make him bigger in death than he was even in life, and him done big in life already. You hear me? I said, now this article came out, right? This article came out right here in the Star, which I told y'all is one of my favorite newspapers, and I go read the thing. You can catch a Star online now, and I don't have to wait for the little barefoot youth. I said, Starry, Glena. When I can catch it right, that's up online. Alright. The something says, popular MC and radio host MC Nuffy wants politicians to take responsibility for giving birth to crime and violence instead of blaming the music. So the politicians them are the one that have to take the freaking responsibility for giving birth to crime and violence. Right? Nuffy's message comes after comments on music impact by Prime Minister Andrew Holness and former government minister Lisa Hanna. Nuffy believes that politicians should own up to their own dirty works, which is what SouFLoTV has been saying for the longest. But Nuffy went in, and that's why I say me respect him, can talk some things, yeah. Right? Politicians are hypocrites, plain and simple. And they are the real dons. Bomba clot. Now we talking. Now we have an individual that is not blinded by religion or blinded by political persuasion, or they don't have anything hanging over him head that dangle like donkey and carrot so him can talk in mind, right? Politicians are hypocrites, and they are the real dons. They are the breeders, the mother and father of crime. No don in any city represents themselves in any area. As a person that grew up in the inner city, I knew I know that no Don acts on his own. Every time election comes around, you will see that the same area done representing the political party, he said. Huh? Now we talk. Where you the ninja? How you gonna say them thing ya? As a person that grew up in the inner city, right? So he's talking from his life experience. You can't take that away from a man. He also pointed to the demise of downtown Kingston and expressed that political warfare was the root of the problem. They breed the crime downtown in the 70s and 80s. And when they gain power, they move away from the people and go live uptown and make business in a halfway tree and New Kingston. The MC believes the police are well aware of what gangsters represent political parties. Now we are talking enough. You see enough to talk about things. Them things I better talk about. Them thing here where me I say Ninja Man to come on and come up and talk about. He started off right, but he like them have something for Ninja. Me don't know. Me not call up Ninja Man name no more. Me just hope say him get free. Cause me don't want to see another legend in another position there where VYBZ KARTEL is in. You know me I say we still say free VYBZ KARTEL. Jah know, because we see and know that the thing was trumped up, but to trump it up tight this time. Alright. If a Don don't want to hear what the politician is saying, the politician usually sends the police to get rid of that Don and make another Don. So why are they trying to use dancehall music to mask this? Nuffy said. The MC also blasted Hannah for calling for a discussion on whether VYBZ KARTEL's music should be banned from the airwaves or not. Everything on a blame Cartel. Him do this, him do that. What about Uno with no white collar crimes? Leave the youth, make him serve him time in a peace, he said. In a release last night, the Broadcasting Commissioner said it shared public concerns that the airwaves should not be used in a manner which is celebratory of a person convicted of murder. However, there is no provision in law barring the transmission of music, simply because it was created by a convicted person. So, we must abide within the confines of the law. You understand that? And you see where it's alright, that's up. I'm going to read that for you again. For all you intelligent people, I'm going to read this for you again. For anyone when you're so intelligent and don't want to hear it because you're already really biased in your thinking, on top of your unintelligence, watch this. In a release last night, the Broadcasting Commissioner said it shared public concerns that the airwaves should not be used in a manner which is celebratory of a person convicted of murder. However, there is no provision in law barring the transmission of music simply because it was created by a convicted person. The release further stated that only if it were proved that the music was created in contravention of a law governing the correctional services and a broadcaster knowingly facilitated that contravention, could there be a lawful determination that the broadcasting rules were breached. So for the whole hour, I'm telling you something. Cartel don't have one bag of song a road already, 1 million song a road already. And they can be remixed, they can be remastered, they can be put in all different kinds of ways and put over different beats. Vocals can be spliced on one song, add to a next song to make a new song. There's so many ways to be creative with today's technology. And nobody not really watch TV like that no more. I have a TV in here, right? And this is where I'm staying on this 13-week mission that I'm on right now. And if you don't see my red couch and them thing there, sometimes I do the videos in black and white, is because I'm out here. So, road run, may I run now. So, if, what am I gonna say? Oh, I was saying nobody ain't really paying attention to TV anymore because I've been in here over a week now, and a 2-time I turn on the TV. One time I think I turned it on for like 15 minutes, and the next time I turn it on and realized I was doing something else. Caught up on YouTube answering my people, and I talked to my people on SouFLoTV, and till the TV started becoming, it was semantic noises. I mean, just turn it off. Never watched it, right? So when we talk about YouTube, right? When we're talking about YouTube and we're talking about Facebook and we're talking about Instagram and we're talking about Snapchat and we're talking about IMO and we're talking about all these other WhatsApp and we're talking about all these, and those are just some of them, all these other things that are out there. to transmit music and broadcast his music, you guys are going to have a hell of a time. Because if you think about your RJR and JBC days, and that's your train of thought, and you're like a one radio station, you can ban it there, but that's not going to do nothing. If anything, that's just going to make people gravitate away from your radio stations and your parties and go find it somewhere else, right? It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. The reason for this video today is the way how I see them using Ninja, man. I say me not call up Ninja name no more. Me I gonna make Ninja walk him walk when I walk, and hopefully Fame thing is exonerated and he is totally off the hook. We want the same thing for VYBZ Kartel. Me hear Ninja say we need to stop call up cartel name because it's making the system pre him another way. No, if we're calling up VYBZ Kartel name and we're saying, and the masses are saying from all around the world that we paid attention to that trial and it was an unfair trial, then maybe they need to come down off their high horse and see where things went wrong and actually fix them, right? And restore some faith in the judicial system of Jamaica. Because right now it's broken. Nobody don't really believe in it. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And me I say big up Nuffy again because Nuffy talk up the things them that I wanted so many other people to say, but them not say it. Them have rope around them neck and draw them gone the next way. I'm out, man. Peace.